They lied to us. Banamanga, the truth shall set you free. So lalela mtomnyama, they lied to us. All hail the queen. Yamanga, askale. King Charles II, 1660 to 1685. Henry III, Holy Roman Emperor, 1046 to 1056. Thomas Butler, the 10th Earl of Ormond. Udab, King of Scotland. Last but not least, all hail King Kenneth the Brown. Let's go back as Muva to the very beginning. The original queens, the original kings, the ones who had the most power was Umuntu Omnyama. They were called the Moors, and they were one of the most influential civilization in medieval history. They ruled Spain, they ruled Portugal, but most of all, they ruled the UK. For years, Isita has tried to hide the truth. They rewrote history. They changed our statues. They changed our paintings so that they look like the heroes. But the truth shall set you free. So lalela mtomnyama. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi ama-Moors umntomnyama created one of the most advanced civilization in history. Understand ukuthi all the cities that were ruled by the Moors were very sophisticated. Cities like Ikodepe, Igrande, Nesiville. Understand ukuthi they were known, umntomnyama were known for building cities with street lighting, public baths, running water in some areas, paved roads yaphuma kuthina, hospitals yaphuma kuthina, public libraries yaphuma kuthina, whilst Isita was still living in caves. For years, they protected the secret to make sure that umntomnyama never finds the truth. When umuntu omnyama ruled over Spain, Portugal, Europe, we made sure that we preserved and we expanded in knowledge. One of the greatest achievements of umuntu omnyama was preserving ancient learning. We took izinto from ancient Greek, Rome, Persia, and India, and we expanded it. We improved it. We didn't copy their style. No, we rediscovered it. We changed maths, astronomy, medicine, chemistry, philosophy. We did it all, but they tried to hide the truth. You are not ready for the truth because you still believe ukuthi yonke into enhle comes from Isita and umntomnyama is a fool. But I don't blame you because that is exactly what they wanted you to believe. And understand. Yes, and understand things like in mathematics. Moors helped to introduce mathematical ideas that became standard in Europe. Understand ukuthi every time you count uthi 1, 2, 3, 4, it all came from umuntu omnyama. Hindu Arabic numerology was introduced in Europe by umuntu omnyama. Algebra was introduced by umuntu omnyama. Advanced geometry, trigonometry, it all came from umuntu omnyama. When Isita was still hiding in caves, umntomnyama, we established hospitals, we organized medical education, we emphasized hygiene, satabageze abathanda ukugeza. Umuntomnyama improved agriculture. We made sure to introduce the advanced irrigation system, water wheels, terrace farming, and we improved canals abo, storage yabo. Understand ukuthi we helped to spread crops like citrus fruits, rice, sugar cane, cotton, spinach, eggplants. We gave them all of this. Sabafundisa how to ride horses. Sabafundisa how to create an army. Bafika bona and they changed everything. They removed umntomnyama. We will never forget Queen Sophia. They can change skin tone yakhe. They can make it look like Ubeisita. They can remove her name from the history books. But we will never forget Queen Sophia. We will never forget the generals, the people that taught Isita how to build armies, the people that taught Isita how to strategize Mauzo Impini. It's astonishing how they changed history. and made Umtomnyama look bad. But we will never forget the truth. We built everything that they claim.